Hi there, and welcome back to Swim Style Patterns YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name's Justine and I'll be taking you through how to sew the Lara Loungewear top. This pattern comes with the shorts and the top in the pattern as a set, and we will link the pattern below for you. If you're looking for the tutorial on the shorts, I'll link that video below and above as well. If you do like this video and you want to see more content like this, remember to subscribe to the channel because we will be releasing videos like this every single Sunday. So let's jump right in, and if you have any questions along the way, just leave them in the comments and we'll get back to you. Right sides together, pin the front and back sections together at the shoulder seams. Set your machine to a stretch stitch and stitch the front and back sections together at the shoulder seams. Transfer the center marks from the sleeve pattern to the sleeve sections. The head of the sleeve is identical on both sides. There are no front and back notches. Right sides together, pin the sleeve to the armhole of the top section. Begin by matching the center marks of the sleeve to the shoulder seam of the top section. I've now also pinned both sleeve sections to the top section. Stitch the sleeves to the top section. Bring the front and the back right sides together. Pin the entire side edges together. I've now pinned the front and back sections right sides together. Stitch the front and back of the top sections together at the side seams. I've stitched the neckband right sides together at the short ends. Now fold the neckband right sides out and pin the raw edges of the neckband together. Stitch the neckband edges together. Stitch as close as possible to the raw edges. Divide the neckline and neckband into even quarter points. I'm using pins for my quarter marks. Now pin the neckband to the right side of the neckline of the top section. Match the quarter marks. Stitch the neckband to the top section. Stretch the neckband evenly as you sew. I've pressed the neckband. I've also pressed the hems of the sleeves and top sections under by 2 centimeters or 3/4 of an inch. Pin the hems of the top section and sleeves. Stitch the hem of the top section. Stitch the sleeve hems also. You should now have a fully finished top out of the Lara Loungewear set. So that's it. You should have a finished loungewear top. Don't forget we already have a tutorial on the shorts as well live on our channel. I'll link that below for you. If you did like this video, remember to subscribe because we will be releasing videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching. See you next week.